Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's human body quiz. What is most damaging to the kidneys? Options A, fried items, B, fruits, C, cakes, D, sodas. Option D, sodas. Which food is the harmful for the lungs? Option A, red meat, B, chocolate, C, chicken, D, dairy products. Answer is D, dairy products. Which food is most harmful to the heart? Option A, spinach, B, fruits, C, fried items, D, meat. Answer is C, fried items. Which food is the most harmful to the brain? And options A, high sugar food, B, nuts, C, ragi, D, junk food. Answer is A, high sugar food. Which food is harmful for the intestines? Option A, fish, B, meat, C, processed foods, D, ghee. Answer is C, processed foods. Which fruit protects the heart? Option A, banana, B, berries, C, apple, D, grapes. Answer is B, berries. Which fruit is good for skin health? Option A, orange, B, apple, C, pear, D, papaya. Option is A, orange. Which fruit reduces inflammation? Option A, pomegranate, B, date, C, cherry, D, lychee. Answer is C, cherry. Which fruit helps with recovery of muscle? Option A, orange, B, banana, C, mango, D, chiku. Option is B, banana. What is the function of the kidneys? Option A, producing insulin, B, regulating heartbeat, C, digesting food, D, filtering waste. Answer is D, filtering waste.